Hello guys, welcome to Elite Crypto. My name is Alex, and if you are new to my channel, please do wait to subscribe and like my video, shares, and my old subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me, guys. All right, today's video I'll be showing you guys a particular platform in which I use importing my tokens from one blockchain to another. It's quite simple, guys. Quite simple and easy, just like bridging. Okay, you can just quickly port one token to another. So this is it. You click on your dApps. For this video I'm using Trust Wallet. You can also use your MetaMask wallet, okay, but for today's video I'll be using Trust Wallet. So on your Trust Wallet you see dApps, which is the internal browser of Trust Wallet. You click on dApps and input this website app.chainport.io. app.chainport.io, guys. So done. Okay, it's quite simple to use and straightforward. It's not confusing, it's straightforward. All right, guys, so as you can see, currently I'm on the Ethereum blockchain, guys. I'm on Ethereum blockchain, and it's telling me I don't have enough Ethereum balance. Yes. All right, now I want to port a token on the Ethereum blockchain to the Avalanche blockchain. So I'll select the token in which I want to port from the Ethereum blockchain to the Avalanche blockchain. So what I'll do is just to look for, let's say I'm holding let's say I have USDT on Ethereum blockchain and I want to port to a coin, or no, a token on the Avalanche blockchain. So I'll just have to, let's say we are making use of this, let's say this, so just click on that and let's see AVAX chain. It's not supported for now. So guys, this is it. You just select whichever of your choice. Let's say you want to port from a token on Ethereum blockchain to Avalanche. You can also select Binance or Phantom. Let's say we're selecting Phantom. I'll just look for a token on the Phantom network. Let's search if we'll see Spirit. No Spirit. Okay, let's use this. No Spirit. Yeah. So now I want to port. I have Ethereum. Okay, I have Ethereum currently. Let's assume I have Ethereum. Now I want to port my Ethereum tokens to the Phantom network. I'll just select, since I want to port to this, I'll just select choose token and amount. I'll input amount as if I had ETH, and that's all, to port automatically, guys. So it's quite simple to use, and the blockchain currently supported on these platforms are Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Phantom, Fuse, Moonriver, and Polygon. Those are the networks currently supported on chainport.io. I think they'll be bringing in layer 2, which is the Arbitrum, very soon, and Solana. So let's wait and see. And there's also a rumor airdrop for those that have interacted with this platform, guys. So I'll urge you, take action, interact with this platform, so that in case maybe next year or this year, who knows, we might be airdropped. Okay, might be airdropped. So guys, take action. Just, it won't cost you anything. Just port from, let's say you're having Ethereum, you port from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain and you port back. That's all. You've interacted with the platform, guys. So it's quite easy and simple to use. So take action. Okay, like I said, these are the blockchains currently supported on chainport.io. Just this. So if you are connecting your wallet, make sure you are on any of these networks. Okay, that is this. When you want to connect your wallet, make sure you're on any of those network I showed earlier. Just make sure you're on any of these networks, as you can see here. make sure you're on any of them. Okay, so that is it, guys. Quite easy. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, share the video, like, guys. I'll be dropping more content today, so I'll see you guys in the next video.